What is going on, guys? JT43 here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to quickly replace windshield wipers. Now obviously some of you might know that before I actually do the installation I like to look at the product that I'm going to be using. These are some Rain-X Quantum Elite. I picked these up at AutoZone. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you want to pick these up for yourself. There were a couple other options, cheaper options like Bosch, but I usually always go Rain-X because I haven't had a problem with these since on my previous cars. So just right off the bat, taking a look at my stock ones. These haven't been changed in a while. I honestly just keep forgetting, but if we take a look at them, these are pretty much destroyed. You can see that it's not even on the track anymore. It's pretty much no good. The other one is kind of in a similar position, but yeah, so I'm gonna be replacing these really quick. So just for a second here. So this is pretty much what we're gonna be dealing with right here. So you have the windshield wiper arm here, and you have the actual wiper itself. So it's two separate assemblies. This one is a little bit broken. Whoever I bought this from probably just broke it instead of taking it out the right way. But there's usually a little cover here that you just get a key or a little knife and you just pop it open. Just cover right here. But unfortunately I don't have that cover, so it's just exposed, so you know. But yeah, you would just pop the cover off real quick, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift the wiper up. We're gonna do the long one first. So this is the 24 inch, that's the 18 inch. I'm gonna start off with the 24 inch. So now with the wiper all the way up, all you're gonna do is pretty much just slide this backwards. Pull down and slide backwards. So it's a hook. So it's pretty much a hook setup, just like that. And so you can see where it hooks onto right in there. So if I just show you real quick, this is just so that you know exactly what I'm doing. So it's a hook, and you have where it receives, and you simply just, that's it locked in. You simply just pull down. You simply just pull down and it just comes right out. So like I said, it's a little bit broken. Usually there's a cover that covers this assembly, but it's just a cover. It's not the end of the world if you don't have it. And then we'll put the new one on. So here we have the new 24 inch wiper. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this yellow piece real quick, and then we'll go put it on the car. So right on the new one, here is that cover that I was talking about, right where it says Rain-X. So you would just get a little key or a slot or something and just pop this open. I can probably do it right here on the hood of this Jeep. Simply just grab a key. You saw how I just pulled that literally with a key. So it's just a cover that comes on and off, and it's simple. You just pop it open, and there you go. You have your hook access right there. I will simply just slide it into position. It's a little bit more covered than the stock one. You can see these big sidewalls here, but you can see where it needs to be hooked in, right in the middle here. You're simply just going to slide it on like that. And then you know it's locked on when it's not easy to pull back like that. And then once that's in, simply just pop the cover back on. And with a little bit of tiny force, I was able to pop that cover back on, and now this is simply on there. Like I said, how you know it's popped in correctly is when you can't really push it out. Like you can't really pull it down, so it's locked in there. So we'll go ahead, put this one down, that's good to go. As far as where your wipers need to stay, if you really care about it, there should be a marking on the windshield. I can try and find it real quick. Actually right here, there is a little marking right there. That's where your wiper should sit from factory. Mine is a little bit off, but it's nothing crazy. So I'm just gonna leave it alone because I don't really care about stuff like that, to be honest with you. It's just kind of, it's not that off by a lot, but 24 is on. Let's go ahead and do the 18. So the 18 is gonna be the same thing. First, I'm just gonna lift it up. And it's the same thing. I don't have the cover on this side either. So whoever replaced it last just kind of broke it and just didn't put it back on. So I'll simply just lift it all the way up. The tripod isn't really gonna help where it's positioned, and I can't really get it any closer. But it's kind of the same thing. It's a hook design. So with the cover popped, you'll simply just pull it off like that. And now this is garbage. I'll do this all in one clip too to show you it's really not that hard. I'll go ahead and grab my 18. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the cover just like that. And I'm simply just gonna pop it back on. Well, I did need two hands to really get it secured, but it's in. I'll pop the cover back on just like that. And I'll remove the yellow tab, just like that. I'll remove this guy, this little sticker. that's pretty much it. It's as simple as that. Not hard at all. Once again, this is one of the basic maintenance items that you can do to your car. Very DIY friendly. And I'll check for the mark over here. I actually can't find the mark unless I'm over it. I can't actually find the mark on this side. Anyway, there's how to change wipers on a 2011 to 2016 Scion TC. If you did enjoy the video, or if this helped you out in any way, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.